In this tutorial, I'll show you how to watch Hulu on your Google Nest Hub so you can enjoy your favorite shows directly on this smart display. Let's get started. While the Google Nest Hub doesn't support the Hulu app directly, you can still stream Hulu content using alternative methods. Start by opening the YouTube app on your Google Nest Hub, as Hulu allows some of its content to be streamed via YouTube. Search for specific shows or movies from Hulu's YouTube channel if they're available there. Alternatively, use a Chromecast-enabled device like a smartphone or tablet to cast Hulu content to your Google Nest Hub. Simply open the Hulu app on your phone, tap the cast icon, and select your Google Nest Hub from the list of available devices. For the best experience, ensure both your casting device and Google Nest Hub are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. If this video helped you, please hit the like button and subscribe to this channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy streaming Hulu on your Google Nest Hub.